Today I'm going to be doing an experiment regarding convection currents. I have blue water that's very hot and a red ice cube. When I dump them in, I put the ice cube in first, and then as soon as I pour in the blue, you can see it swirling because the hot water wants to go to the top of the bowl and the cold water wants to go to the bottom. It is hard to see this happen because the colors of the water mix so quickly, so I'm going to play it again in slow motion so you can really see. But convection currents basically show us that any hot substance will rise to the top and colder substances will sink to the bottom below. So as you can see, as I pour the blue in, you can see a swirl because the blue water immediately wants to rise up to the top, so it has to push the red cold water below it, and the cold water wants to sink to the bottom, so you can see them kind of switching places almost. And yeah, you can see that the blue is pushing up, and you can see that swirl happening before the colors mix. These convection currents also relate to plate tectonics because they are the reason that our plate tectonics on the Earth can move. So basically, the plate tectonics of our Earth sit on top of the Earth's mantle, and the mantle is made of a semi-molten rock called magma, so it is a really dense, kind of solid liquid. But so the very hot material at the deepest part of the mantle rises up, and then when it gets up, it cools, so it sinks again. So it keeps heating and rising and repeating the cycle over and over, which causes the plates to move.